first graders, happy Monday! Last Monday of the year. We are going to be talking a little bit about text features today. Oh, let me pull up what we're doing here. There we are. So we're going to be talking about text features in nonfiction text. So if you think back, I believe it was January, February time, we looked at a lot of nonfiction books and the special things that were inside nonfiction books to help us learn. Yeah, there's lots of words that we're reading and new vocabulary, but there's also special things that we can see on different pages that helps us learn even more about that topic. So hopefully these ring a bell, but we've got headings, table of contents, photographs, labels, captions, glossary, bold words, diagrams. So when you're looking at a nonfiction text like this one, you can see the author really pops out a lot of big words to you, or includes photographs, because they're trying to show you more about that topic and trying to teach you more through those words or through those pictures. So here you can notice polar bears. We're learning about polar bears. This big bear hunts for food on sea ice. So that's a big, important thing the author wants you to take away from that. It's also showing you this beautiful photograph. So just by looking at this photograph, you can see that polar bears are really big. Look how big those paws are. Looks like polar bears have twin cubs or babies. Even down here, there's a caption that goes with this photograph. So it tells us a little bit more about that photo. Polar bear cubs stay with their mother until they are about 2 years old. Up here, another caption. And over here, you might see sometimes they'll have fun facts for you or snippets of information on the sides of pages, just again to help you learn even more about that nonfiction topic. You know, in fiction, we're used to just reading text that looks like this on every single page. That's what makes nonfiction so much fun, because your eye can jump from over here to over here to over here, and you're still learning snippets of information about that topic. So what you're going to do is read through a Pebble Go book and pay attention to those text features that the author is incorporating in the book so that you can learn even more. And to help you, you can fill out this right here. So feel free to print this and fill it out, or just have a conversation with mom or dad or grandma, whoever you're with. Where do you see a heading? How is this text feature helping you? What extra information did the text feature teach you? So you can look through this list, read through a Pebble Go book, and see if you can find, kind of like a scavenger hunt here, find different examples of each one of these text features. So have fun with this. Hope you're learning a lot. Hope you pick a topic that you don't know anything about and you learned something new. So have fun with it, and have a great week. Okay? Thanks, guys.